So guys, nandito tayo sa main stop ng train station sa Zurich, Switzerland. At syempre, kakarating lang natin with my backpack and my luggage. At sa LED na yan, nakikita natin yung mga trip going to different countries, different cities sa Switzerland. And sa area na yan, pwede tayo makakuha ng ticket, walk-in to different countries, ticket para mag-travel na naman to different to next destination. So accessible siya, very smooth yung travel. At ang sa train naman maganda, as in nakatulog ako kasi doon ako sa cabin nilagay, as in akin ang buong kwarto. So well rested tayo, full charge lahat ng ating gadget. So tara, lalabas na tayo at start the gala. This is Andrew Laconchero. Bye bye guys. Ito na nga, biyahin na ako papuntang Switzerland, 2 hours left. So dito na lang ako mag-antay. Tinanong ko kung ito talagang right platform. Ito nga daw. So after 2 hours pa naman, so practice lang muna. Kasi baka mawala ako, syempre malate, diba? Maiwan ako sa train. So dito pala pupunta. So guys, from Berlin Central Station in Germany, we are heading to Zurich, Switzerland. It will take 10 hours for us to travel. So we just started around 8 p.m. and we will reach there around 10 a.m. tomorrow. So while on the way going to Zurich or Switzerland, so I have to just, do something here. So it will make me busy and forget about the long travel. And I have to make my assignment because we have the PhD assignment, and I have to make my report as well traveling and studying. And then we will reach in Zurich. Also because all my gadgets are already locked and it's all shut down. So it's good that they have charging area also here. It's complete. They have a charging area in each chairs, and since there are less passengers in this train, so it's because we are taking night schedule, so that's the best opportunity for us to have like 4 chairs. It's mine. So look, my 2 backpacks are there, and also my luggage is on top there. Because I actually planned to bring only backpack, but it's winter time during this season, so it's hard to come by t-shirts or else you will get sick. So I'm gonna update you later what will be our journey going to Switzerland, and that will be all for today guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See ya. So good morning guys. So delayed na naman yung train natin ngayon. Andito tayo ngayon. Ang ganda pala ng train nila dito sa ang lalaki. Promise. Tingnan niyo yung train ko. Ayun yung train ko. Andito tayo. Kahit hindi na lang kayo mag VIP, mag second class na lang kayo, mas better. Ayun dalawang mahahabang upuan, nakakabin siya, nakaganyan. Pwede siyang isara at saka buksan. Ako lang mag-isa dito. Ayan. May saksakan sila. Reminder ko pala, advice, dapat yung nyo, bibili kayo ng ganyang klaseng adapter. Kasi dito sa Euro pala, dalawa lang yung ganyan. Ganito ang itsura Ayan. Kailangan ito yung dadalhin yung adapter. Kasi sa akin nagdala ko 5 adapter. Wala nga. So kailangan kong bumili ng adapter dito. Worth 15 to 20 euro yung nila adapter. Lalo na pag nasa biyahe ka, mahal. So may salamin. Hello. And kumusta nga ibag natin? Bagong gising. So ako lang mag-isa. Merong 2 saksakan dito. Merong 2 saksakan. Kaya 230 pa naman siya. So mabilis, malakas. Ayan. Yan ang natin, cabin. So may mga dito, speaker, may may pailaw si mayor, ganyan. Meron pwede mong pataasan yung temperature, pwedeng pahinaan. So ayan, nandito tayo sa loob. Ayan, umaandar na yung train. Papunta tayong Switzerland, guys. So kung may tanong kayo, comment lang kayo sa baba para at least may natin, masagutan natin. Naibaba din pala to siya. Taas baba. Ayan, ganyan. Depende kung mataas mong liog. Sige na, update ko kayo mamaya. So time check guys. Nandito na tayo ngayon bandang Switzerland kasi may message na sa akin sa cellphone ko. Malalaman ko kasi na nandito na tayo sa country kasi every country kasi napupuntahan ko may mag-message sa cellphone ko na welcome to this country, ganyan. So nag-message na ang Switzerland. Ganda ng mga bahay nila, oh. Parang mga kamelya. Ay, social. May silungan yung mga ano nila, bisikleta. Umulan naman dito. Ano ba yan? Sana tag-init. Ayan. Ganda ng mga pabahay. May karay-karay pa sila. Parang may pista yata dito. Umuulan man sa Switzerland. Ang ganda ng landscape nila. Tapos dito tayo. Ang ganda. So ito yung train na sinakyan natin, guys, papuntang Switzerland. So kakarating lang natin sa Zurich. Nandito na tayo. Ayan, Zurich. And of course with our friends from Peru. So we just arrived from Zurich, from Germany, going to Zurich, Switzerland. And we are with our brothers and our mom from Peru. Hello. Steven is here. Hello. And his sister, his family, his girlfriend, and our mom. Buenos dias. You guys take care, okay? Bye-bye. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa exit area at saka kukuha na naman tayo, mag-inquire tayo ng ticket papuntang Italy, kung magkano, kung may daily and hourly trip ba, at saka ilang oras. Kasi yung sa akin kasi, guys, yung trip ko on the spot talaga to. Walk-in ako lagi, hindi ako nag-online kasi syempre, itry ko lang. So ito na yun. Bitin Netzstigen. Okay, bye-bye guys. So guys, pagbaba ng train station natin galing Germany to Zurich, Switzerland. Ito na yung stop dito, full stopover nila. Andito yung mga stopover ng train. So makikita natin dito sa LED na yan yung mga trip going to different countries, different cities ng from Switzerland. And naitanong ko din kanina sa staff dito, dyan lang sa center na yan, pwede tayo makakuha ng ticket going to different countries naman. So dyan ako kukuha ng ticket papuntang Italy. And exit diretso dito na. Ito yung main station ng Zurich sa Switzerland. So very accessible lang talaga siya sa sa mga hostel, kasi nakakuha ko ng hostel malapit lang din dito. So ayan, update ko na lang kayo guys mamaya kung ano pang mga ganap natin. Thank you so much. This is Andrew Lacuachero and welcome to Switzerland. Bye bye guys, bye bye. So guys, nandito tayo sa main stop ng train station sa Zurich, Switzerland. At syempre, kakarating lang natin with my backpack and my luggage. At sa LED na yan, nakikita natin yung mga trip going to different countries, different cities sa Switzerland. And sa area na yan, pwede tayo makakuha ng ticket, walk-in to different countries, ticket para mag-travel na naman sa different, to next destination. So, accessible siya, very smooth yung travel. At ang sa train naman, maganda, as in, nakatulog ako kasi doon ako sa cabin nilagay, as in, akin ang buong kwarto. So, well-rested tayo. Full charge lahat ng ating gadget. So tara, lalabas na tayo at start the gala. This is Andrew Lacuachero. Bye bye guys. So guys, there's a locker room here where we can leave our luggage, and this is the below the floor of the train stopover station. So we can leave it here and we will just pay there our machine. So I think it's the same. We have 4 hours, 6 hours, and we have 24 hours. So better to take it and you can go around and leave your luggage in the train station. So it's nearby the toilet as well. So let's see. Guys, yung Zurich main train station is just from that area. 2 minutes walk away from this place. And here's the city tour bus, and you can book a ticket from here for 34 34 euros. So you can select. There are some they have actually the services from here on the pamphlet, and you can hop here already on the city tour bus, and they will go for around 2 hours roaming around the Zurich city, and that's it. So let's be here. So kung limited lang ang time nyo guys dito sa Switzerland, meron lang kayong 1 day, 2 days, huwag nang sayangin yung oras nyo para pumunta hanap ng mga tourist destination. Pumunta na kayo dito sa city tour bus area. Ayan 34 euros lang naman siya. Buong na yan, city na yan, around 2 hours yung travel. So iikot na. Then after that, yun, kung saan nyo makita yung magandang destinations, pwede nyo nang puntahan, lakarin kasi merong mga walking distance malapit lang. So we're going inside now and the tour will start. Here's our ticket and we'll just show it to the person. Hi sir, good morning. Should I leave it there? So I will stay here. It's very clean and it's amazing. It's
yes. Okay.
And that's all the policy and the condition of the bus. So I will always stay in front. It's because I want to, to be near from the driver and see the front view. Bye bye guys. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Zurich, Switzerland guys. It's like Amsterdam. Ang ganda. And nagpakita na ng konti ang araw. Ayun, may cathedral din siya dito. And parang Amsterdam yung dating dito. Ang ganda ng area na to. It's amazing. Perfect. So malapit lang sa train station guys. Meron din siyang parang Amsterdam. Ayan, 'di ba? Ang ganda. Labas kayo ng train station. Ayun, makikita niyo 'yan. May sapa. Ayun yung train station lang. At saka may museum na siyang malapit. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa taas ng bandang dam ng Zurich. Ayan. Ang ganda. Parang Amsterdam din. Hindi lang ako ang nag-iisa dito. At saka mini park din siya guys. Ayan So guys, update ko lang kayo. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa Milan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Zurich, Switzerland. And since walang direct trip papuntang Milan, papuntang Rome. So from Milan, mag-transfer tayo ng isa pang train papuntang Rome. So ito daw yung every trip dito walang direct sa Rome. Mag-Milan daw muna bago mag-Rome. So binayaran ko yung ticket, walking on the spot for Zurich to Milan. It's 83 euro. Then from Rome to from Milan to Rome, it's 99 euro. So ayun, from Switzerland Zurich to Milan it's 3 hours, and from Milan to Rome it will be 5 to 6 hours. So see you guys. See you in Milan. See you in Italy. So we just arrived guys here in Milan from Switzerland, Zurich, and this is our train. We are riding this train galing here to Milan.
Allontanarsi dalla linea gialla.
I'll keep you updated later once we will ride from Milan going to Rome. So we will go to the next train station. Okay, bye bye. See you guys. So kakarating lang natin guys dito sa may Milan. Galing tayo sa Zurich, Switzerland, and for around 3 hours. Na-delay lang siya, nagiging 4 hours yung travel namin. Dito kami sumakay. Yan siya. So nandito tayo ngayon sa main station ng Milan, Central Station. See you guys. Update ko kayo mamaya pag sasakay na tayo papuntang Rome. Bali 5 to 6 hours naman siya. Bye bye.